Welcome. In this quick guide, you'll learn how to enable Conversation View in the Gmail app. Whether you're trying to keep your inbox organized or group related emails together, this setting will make managing your messages much easier. Let's get right into it. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Make sure you're connected to the internet and signed in to the account you want to adjust. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the menu icon. It looks like three horizontal lines. Give that a tap. When the menu slides out, scroll all the way down until you find the option labeled Settings. Tap on it to open the settings page. Here, you'll see a list of your email accounts along with some general options. What you want to look for next is General Settings. Go ahead and tap that. Inside the General Settings menu, you'll find several options to customize how your Gmail app behaves. Scroll down a bit until you spot the setting called Conversation View. This is the option that controls whether your related emails are grouped together in threads or shown separately. To enable it, simply check the box next to Conversation View. You might see a short message letting you know the change will take effect immediately. That's it. Gmail will now organize your emails by conversation, making it much easier to follow replies and keep track of back and forth messages without losing context. If you ever prefer to see your emails listed individually again, you can repeat these same steps and just uncheck the box. It's that simple. And there you have it. You've successfully turned on Conversation View in your Gmail app. With this feature active, your inbox will feel cleaner, your threads will stay tidy, and you'll spend less time searching for old replies. Thanks for watching.